Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, All Round Beauty Studio. And for those who don't know, my name is Our Major. You all know what Major means. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. And before I start, I hope you all are okay and hope you all are safe. Please continue to stay safe, because Corona is real. As for me, I'm doing perfectly fine. So guys, for today's topic is about one of my makeup artists. Her name is Ashley. Ashley is a makeup artist and I always love watching her, and I learn a lot from her. So that is why I'm going to use this opportunity to show her how much I appreciate her a lot. And today I want to do this because I was watching her and then this idea came up. I said, you know what, let me do something new. And you know guys know I'm not here to play, I'm not here to make things boring. So I'm always here to make things fun, you know, for you guys to enjoy watching it. So for today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of Ashley makeup picture, and then put it here, and then the same makeup tutorial on her face is the same I'm going to do on my own face too. So guys, as you guys know, this is the picture of her, and this is the same makeup looks I'm going to do on my own face. So for you guys to see and know how far I have become and how great I am, you know, good. So so guys, what I'm going to do, but before I start, please go to her YouTube channel, on her Instagram and TikTok. Please follow her, like her YouTube, and subscribe and hit the bell, so that anytime she uploads a new video, you will get notified. Because girl, believe me, she's very good. So please go there and follow her. And for those who want to learn, you can learn a lot from her, and I have learned a lot from her. So for today's topic, it's only about her. I actually to know that I have learned a lot from her, and I took this picture because when I was watching her, she was doing so good, she was doing it so great. So I said, you know, let me do the same on my own face. So that's why I screenshot this picture, and then I'm going to do it today on my own face. So guys, get prepared, take a popcorn and sit, and then enjoy watching me. Ashley might use another makeup palette, and I am going to also use another makeup palette, but in the makeup palette is almost the same colors in it. I'm going to show you guys the makeup palette I'm going to use today. This is the makeup palette I'm going to use today, and in this makeup palette the colors are almost the same, like Ashley eyeshadows, you know, they're almost the same. You know, the eyeshadows, she have orange, purple, and also yellow, you know. So that is why I'm going to use this palette today. And also I bought new products and I want to show you guys. I bought this one. Let me show you guys. I bought this, so I'm going to try it. As you guys see, they said tattoo, so you will cut this off. See, I did the same I did here, the same I'm going to do here. You all can see, you see. You have to take care, right? And then you do it like this. Keep doing it. As you all can see the results of this, it is very good. You guys, if you want to buy it, go on Shein. That's where I bought it, my own. They call it Shein. Yeah, that's it's a week anyway. It's a week. But for today's topic, it's about my Ashley. For the next video, I'm going to explain more about my week. So tried. I tried my best, but my best wasn't good enough. Ashley, I hope you like it. This one no good though. I failed my test. I failed my test though. The palette was good, but the color, as you can see, is different on the top. I don't have exact color, but I tried my best. Now we are going to the lipstick, to the lip. Yeah. Lip. My lip. Lip. So for the lip, I'm going to use this palette, this one, special for the lip, and I'm going to use this color. Hold on, this color. I hope it will work. I hope you guys like it. Take it off. So, got a picture. Look at me. So guys, as you can see, this is the lips, the full face makeup tutorial. As you can see, that's the face of Ashley and this is the face of me. I tried my best because the colors, they were not, some of them, not exactly, because you have the light one, the dark one, and the, yeah, but as you can see, I've tried my best. I hope Ashley will be very proud, and yeah, so it's up to you guys to decide if you love these looks and if you will love to go out with this type of looks. As you can see, I'm ready. See the dress? Yes. I tried the lipstick. Wow, I really tried with the lip. But for the rest, I'm not going to say much. All is up to you guys, so you guys can decide if you like it, if I've tried, and if I've done well. So please, if you have anything to say, don't forget to put it down in the comment section below, so when I get there I will reply. And yeah, as you can see, it is it. This is the full face makeup tutorial. Was made by Ashley, and I decided to try it myself, and I've tried it. It's my own results, and this is the picture of Ashley. So if you guys think, okay, I almost there, or yeah, because I use a different palette, it's not the same as Ashley, you know, I don't have that palette, so I use my own palette. So some of the palette, the colors are not there, so I just say let me use another color. So this is it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me, and please hit the notification bell. If you are new, just hit it, so anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified. Okay, this is your girl, yeah. Thanks to my supporters who support me and believe in me and know that I can do this. So you guys give me the courage so that I will do more. So, and I will keep on doing it because it's what I love to do. I love to do makeup, hair, and dreadlocks. Everything I'm doing, I'm love to doing it. So I'll continue. Yeah, I'm going to make you guys proud, and please continue to support me. Yeah. So the best ways to support is to like it and keep sharing so that a lot of people can watch it and channel all our beauty. So this is it. Tata.